You have a child with special needs and you're thinking about their future, about money, about what happens when you're gone. Then someone mentions a special needs trust, an SNT, and suddenly you're drowning in questions. Can my child get the money? What about benefits? How much does this cost? Is it even legal? Parents ask me the same 29 questions repeatedly, and every single one matters. I'm going to answer all 29 today, the ones that keep you up at night, determining if your child is protected or broke. Like this video if you've ever felt lost navigating special needs planning. Let's start with the foundation, understanding what an SNT is, otherwise the other 28 questions won't make sense. A special needs trust is a legal document, a pot of money set aside specifically for your child with special needs. It's structured so your child doesn't control it directly, because direct access means losing benefits. Medicaid and SSI are needs-based, exceed the resource limit, and you lose them. The SNT keeps money separate, managed by a trustee you choose, who pays for things Medicaid won't cover. This includes therapy, recreation, equipment, or even a vacation, improving quality of life without losing benefits. That's an SNT, a protection strategy, not just a savings account. Now, for the next questions. Hit subscribe, because I'm about to answer the 29 questions that truly matter. Okay, 29 questions, grouped into categories to avoid overwhelming you. Question 1. Who qualifies for an SNT? Your child must have a disability affecting their self-supportability, regardless of type. Question 2. Can I create an SNT while alive? Yes, a living SNT is often better as you can fund it immediately. Question 3. How much does an SNT cost? Between $500 to $3,000, depending on state and complexity. Don't skimp on this estate planning expense. Question 4. What states allow SNTs? All 50 states plus DC allow them, though rules vary. Category 2. Money and benefits. Question 5. Will my child lose Medicaid if I fund an SNT? No. If structured correctly, benefits are kept. The trustee pays bills on your child's behalf, not giving money directly to them. Question 6. SNT versus regular trust? SNTs preserve government benefits, unlike regular trusts that benefit the child directly. Question 7. Can my child refuse SNT distributions? The trustee controls the money, so they can say no to direct requests, protecting your child. Question 8. How much money for an SNT? It depends on life expectancy, benefits, and affordability. Consult a financial planner and attorney. Question 9. Can my child access SNT money? Indirectly, yes, through the trustee paying expenses. Directly, no, the trustee handles all transactions. Category 3. The trustee. Question 10. Who should be the trustee? Someone trustworthy and financially responsible, often a family member or a professional. Question 11. What if I lack a family trustee? Hire a professional like a bank or trust company. They charge a fee but are trained. Question 12. Can the trustee take money for themselves? Absolutely not. They are fiduciaries with a legal duty to act in your child's best interest. Question 13. Can a trustee make bad investment decisions? Yes, but they can only spend on your child's behalf. Choose a trustee you trust with investments or hire a professional. Category 4. Government benefits. Question 14. Does an SNT affect SSI payments? Not if structured correctly. An SNT doesn't count against SSI resource limits. Question 15. What about Medicaid? Medicaid can sometimes recover costs from the SNT after your child passes, but it's limited. Consult an attorney. Question 16. Can I give my child money directly? Technically, yes, but it risks their benefits. A large gift can disqualify them from SSI or health coverage. Category 5. Taxes and money management. Question 17. Do SNTs file tax returns? Yes, as a separate legal entity with its own tax ID, if it has income. Question 18. Are SNT distributions taxable to my child? Direct bill payments are usually not taxable, but cash distributions might be. Consult a CPA. Question 19. What if the SNT earns investment income? That income is taxed to the trust or child depending on distribution. A financial advisor and CPA are crucial. Category 6. After you're gone. Question 20. What happens to the SNT when I die? The trust continues. managed by your chosen or a new trustee for your child's lifetime. Question 21. Can the SNT last forever? Some states allow perpetual trusts, others have limits. Your attorney will advise on state-specific rules. Question 22. Who controls the SNT after I'm gone? Your named successor trustee, whether family or professional, as decided during creation. Question 23. Can my child change the SNT after I'm gone? Generally no, but they can make requests to the trustee who decides appropriateness. Category 7. Sibling and family dynamics. Question 24. Should I put money in the SNT for other children? No, SNTs are for special needs beneficiaries. Create separate plans for other children. Question 25. Can my other child be the trustee? Yes, if responsible and family dynamics are healthy. Otherwise, hire a professional. Question 26. What if the trustee and my child don't get along? Name a successor trustee or hire a professional from the start. Category 8. Final critical questions. Question 27. S&T or pooled trust? An individual S&T offers control. A pooled trust, run by a nonprofit, can be cheaper. Consult a special needs planning attorney. Question 28. Biggest S&T mistake? Not having one or creating one poorly. Get a specialized special needs planning attorney. Question 29. How to ensure my plan protects my child? Hire professionals to review it. An attorney and financial advisor should audit everything. Okay, 29 questions, 29 answers. But here's what you need to know. These are the questions, but the full article provides deeper answers on money, tax implications, and trustee structures. Grab the complete SNT FAQ guide in the description. It's free, bookmark it, and share it. Having the answers is step 1. Step 2 is acting, finding an attorney, building your trust, naming a trustee, funding it, and setting up investments. This isn't a solo task. You need a team. First, a special needs planning attorney who specializes in SNTs to create the document. Second, a financial advisor who understands special needs planning to help fund, invest, and ensure longevity. Third, a CPA who understands S&T tax implications. These 3 working together move you from questions to action. Start with the attorney. They can connect you to the others, but they are the first step. Download the SNT FAQ guide. Read all 29 questions. Identify the 3 that concern you most, and lead with those when meeting an attorney. Share this video with other parents navigating special needs planning, and tell me your first step in the comments in 2 weeks. You're doing the right thing by asking questions, learning, and planning. Your child's future depends on this, and you've got this. Get the FAQ guide, get the team, do the work. It's the best investment you'll ever make. Download your free SNT FAQ guide. Link in description.